All right, a quick video on search. Earlier this month, June 4th, I published a video on search capabilities that introduced the notion of search in Sparx Enterprise Architect. And a few of you have asked me about the search window. You've docked it and now you can't get it back to the workspace. We're going to cover that in this quick video. All right, I'm in a blank project, a default layout. I have browser on the left. This is default factory layout, properties in the upper right, and notes on the lower right. All right, in this area here where you see search is the work area. I'm going to go ahead and close search, and this is a blank work area. So when we bring up search, you can access it from any tab, as I talk about in the other video, and by default, it comes up in the work area. In playing around in the options here, you come across this drop down where dock and output bar. And we're going to go ahead and select it. In this case, by default, it falls under the work area. You can drag and drop your search anywhere you want. We're going to put it in the lower right like this. And some of you have put it in various areas of your work area. And even if you close it and you come back to search model, it pops up in the same area where it was last exposed. So I'm going to put it under the work area again. I'm going to close it. Notes, I don't want here, but that's okay. I'm going to close that. And we're going to bring it up again. And now it is back to this area here, and we don't want it here. So how do you fix this? Some have tried going back to workspace and reloading the default factory workspace. And you can see it takes it back to normal default layout. And if you've got custom layouts, it will do that. And then they'll launch search. Well, it's back down here. It's still not within the work area. So we're going to fix this now. What we're going to do is you bring it up into an area where it's wide enough to get back to the navigation bar. When it's over here, it's all minimized. You can't see the navigation bar, and it's not easy to get to. If you bring it out, look, we're going to bring this back out, and we're wide just enough to get to this drop-down menu. We're going to dock in main window. Now it is back to the main window. I'm going to go ahead and close system output. Now it is back here. So if we close search from the main work area or main window, if we go and launch search again, it is now back to where it originally was. I'm now going to go back to my common custom layout. You learn how to do this. You can see that search is in the main window. I am going to hit this drop down. I'm going to dock it. It pops in the lower right where system output is for me, and I want to move it back. I can just simply pull this out, grab this drop down. There we go. It is back in the main window. And now every time I load search, whether I'm using Control F anywhere in the program, the application, the Sparx platform, it will pop up, right? So Control F brings it up, or of course, you just hit the search and hit model search and it brings it up. I know it can get frustrating for some. You're working along, you're trying to manage and find items within your models, and then you're playing around with this and you inadvertently dock it and you went, oh, where'd that go? And then you come up and you hit search and where'd search go? And then you find out that it's over here, and you go through all this pain to try to fix where it is. And, you know, it's pretty hard. So hopefully this video helped you. And now you're able to get back to the searches that you're looking for when you're doing your work and you're trying to deliver your architecture. So good luck, have fun. Talk to y'all later. And until the next episode, happy modeling.